In this video, I will show you how to use Fresha for businesses. So first, in order to get started using Fresha and to set it up for your business, just go to fresha.com. From here, you want to click on For Business in the top right, and that will take you right here. Now from here, you have a little preview of what it will look like, but for now, just going to click on Join for free. Then here, click on For Business. Then in order to sign up, enter your email address or continue with Facebook, Google or Apple. Then next here, go and enter your first and last name, enter your email address, your mobile number, your country, and agree to the privacy policy, terms of service and terms of business, and then go and click on Join Fresha. Now here you can also click on the delete icon and upload your profile picture. Then you will get to the account setup section. From here, first go and enter your business name, and if you have one, enter your website right here. Then click continue. Then what services do you offer? You can select any of these. If the services that your business offers are not in here, go and click on other right there. Then what is your team size? You can select just me, 2 to 5 people, 6 to 10 or 11 plus. I'll go with 2 to 5. So then click continue. Now here set your location address. Now if you have multiple locations, then you can add those later, but for now just add one location. Then it will ask which software are you currently using. So if you're using any of these, then you can go and select them from here. If not, just click I'm not using any software, or if you're using another one, click on other. I'll just say I'm not using any software. Then how did you hear about Fresha? I'll just say search engine and click on done. So now you have set up your business and we can now actually get started using Fresha. So there's a checklist that you can follow right here. So now you can add your business website, but if you don't have that, you can simply skip that and start setting up your service list. So click start right there, and then you will get to your service menu. Now you will see currently they have 4 categories right here. Now I chose tattoo and piercing in my service, so that's why it has the tattoo, touch-up, piercing and consultation. Now you can go and change any of these right here, and for example you can remove them by clicking on permanently delete, but you can also simply click on edit. So this right here is for example a consultation. Let's say that my consultation is only 30 euros, then here I can say 30, and let's say it only takes 20 minutes, then I can change that. You can also set the price to free, from this amount, or a fixed price. Now you can add multiple variations if you want as well, so then you have those within this one category. Now just go and enter all of your services by clicking on add. Then here you can do single service, package or category. For example, a package, you can add multiple services into a single package, and then you can set a price for that package. Then you can set genders that can book something, and basically you just want to go and set everything up right here. Now once you have set everything up, you can click on each specific service, for example the tattoo right here, and then click team members. Now you will see this one right here was set up as an example. Now if you have team members, then you can select whichever team members you want to be able to do this service. Now you will see right here I only have one. Now in order to add your team members, what you want to go and do is click on the settings icon in the left right here. Then here click on team, and now here you can add in team members if you want. So you can click on team members right here, and then you can add any team members that you want. You can give them a profile picture. You can select a color for their calendar to keep everything apart. You can enter their employment type, the team member ID, etc. Now Fresha also has a payroll system where you can go and enable that, and then you can track how much you need to pay one of your employees based on how much they worked. So you can set that up as well. It's I think €7.95 per team member. So then once you have set up all of your services, then you can go back to the home screen right here, and then click on complete setup in the top right, and now you have set up your team members as well, and now you can set your working hours. So go and set that for every single team member right here, because then they will actually be able to book in the calendars right here. So then they know that Wendy right here, for example, works every day from Monday until Saturday from 10 AM until 8 PM. So then in between those spaces, people can actually book in slots. Now if you want, you can also set regular shifts right here. So for example, if you click add a shift, so you can also go and customize the shifts right here. For example, if they work from 10 AM until let's say 12 AM, so that they then have a break at 12 AM until, for example, 12:30. Now right now you will see they have a break from 12 AM until 12:30 where you cannot book in any services. So then go and click save. And now you have set that up for this team member. Now Fresha has a lot to offer, and if you go back to complete setup, you have a bunch of things that you can try out. So you can create your first appointment in the calendar. So if you click try now, you will see the calendars here, and here you can set up an appointment for whichever team member you want. So if you have, for example, 10 team members, then you will see all of those right here. Now you also want to go and check out your appointments to unlock reports that simplify your admin tasks. You can import your clients and instantly book your regulars with the click of a button. And you can keep in touch with automatic appointment notifications, thank you messages and more. So that is a very cool feature that I recommend setting up. It's not free, but it is very good. So under automations here you can set it up. So click setup, but here you have a few examples. So appointment updates, reach out to clients when their appointment is booked for them, rescheduled appointment, cancelled appointment, didn't show up, join the wait list, time slot available, or even when it's someone's birthday, you can send them an automated message. Now you can also create your own automations if you want to do that. Now you will see you get 20 text messages completely for free, but after that it will cost you some money. So you can see text notifications will cost 15 cents per extra text, and email notifications are free unlimited, so that is very good. Then in the marketing section here you can also create blast campaigns, so that should help you increase your bookings and engage with your clients by sharing special offers and important updates over email and text message. So you can offer discount codes, and that will basically just incentivize people to come into your store. So there's a lot of things to go through right here. So you will see the online booking where you can go and set up a website. You can set up reserve with Google right here, and even with Facebook and Instagram bookings. And there's a lot of things that you can integrate. You can also set up payments, and you will see if you set up payments, you can order one of these devices and you can use it with your phone, or you can get an actual payment device, and the fees are pretty good, from 1.29% plus 20 cents per transaction. With many of its competitors, it's actually over 2% per transaction, so I think these fees are pretty good. So now you know how to use Fresha for businesses. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.